Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast, and the big cue today, the second quarter earnings season gets underway with IT giant TCS set to report its numbers post-market hours. Rima is here to fill us in on everything that we should expect. Rima, good morning. Take us through what the street is expecting.
Well, good morning. The street is expecting a dollar revenue growth of 1.3%. In constant currency terms, the expectation is of about a 3.4% revenue growth, pretty similar to Q1. The reason you can see a big difference in the constant currency revenue growth and the dollar revenue growth, the CC revenue growth is much higher, is due to cross-currency headwinds, which is due to the depreciation of the pound, the euro against the Australian dollar. That said, revenue growth for IT companies are expected to be fairly strong given the large deal momentum, large deal wins that they've enjoyed in the prior quarter. So that should help them clock in good revenues this time. Margins for TCS are likely to expand by 70 basis points. 23.8% is the estimate. But remember, this comes on the back of a low base. In Q1, TCS's margins were depressed by 190 basis points due to wage hike. Profits, according to the poll, should be up about 8%. What's the street going to watch? Well, the street is going to be watching whether the company continues to hold on to its margin guidance of 25% by Q4 of FY23. Secondly, this quarter's revenues are expected to be strong, given that it's a reflection of the deal wins enjoyed in the past. But now that the macroeconomic indicators are deteriorating, what's the outlook on the top line? And in that regard, watch for two lead indicators. One is hiring and the other one is deal wins, and both of them were muted in the quarter one. TCS's exposure to Europe and UK, where there are greater worries about slowing economy, is the highest. So close to about 30% of TCS's revenues comes from UK and Europe combined. Also, finally, since TCS is going to be the first IT company to report numbers, it will set the tone for the IT earnings season, and all indications about next year's growth, the client budgets, tech spending, deal deferrals, all that is going to be very crucial. Back to you.
All right, Rima, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those expectations. Of course, we'll trust you to break down those numbers for us when we do have them. And remember, you can catch TCS MD and CEO Rajesh Gopinathan address the media at the earnings press conference scheduled for 5:30 p.m. today. All right, guys, with that, we're going to get into a short break now. But when we come back, we're tracking all of the cues from the commodity markets. We'll tell you what's going on with crude oil as prices hit a 5-week high. Stay tuned.